Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting your free Starbucks birthday drink is easier than you think, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. Step 1. Join the Starbucks Rewards program if you haven't already. You can do this through the mobile app or on their website. It's completely free and takes just a few minutes. Step 2. Make sure your birthday is accurate in your account settings. Go to your profile, find the personal information section, and verify your birth date is correct. This is crucial because Starbucks uses this to send your birthday offer. Step 3. Opt into promotional emails and notifications. Check your notification preferences in the app settings to ensure you're receiving marketing emails. Without this enabled, you might miss your birthday offer entirely. Step 4. Watch for your birthday email about 1 week before your actual birthday. Starbucks typically sends the offer via email or through the app. The offer is usually good for your entire birthday month, so you've got plenty of time. Step 5. Redeem your free drink during your birthday month by simply showing the offer in the app or on your phone at checkout. You can get any size drink, any customization you want. Just mention you're redeeming your birthday reward and the barista will take care of you. That's it, you're all set to enjoy your free birthday drink.